Use pleater tape to make draperies. Adding draperies to a curtain makes it look fancier without the extra cost. The only problem is that draperies can be difficult to create, especially if it's your first time. You need to pleat the fabric to your desired size of draperies. Folding the fabric is quite a challenge. But the hardest part is pleating the fabric evenly. If you have a pleater tape, making draperies will be easy. Just follow the steps below. Measure. Take a measurement of the area where you want the curtain be hanged like the window. Measure it twice just to be accurate. After measuring, compute for the adjustment. Remember, you will pleat the fabric to make draperies. The width should be tripled. For the length, add the desired length for the fabric strip on top of the curtain. Usually, this is 3 inches. Now double the length of the top fabric strip. Add an inch for the overall length and width to allow adjustments for the sewing. Sew. Fold one side of the fabric about ½ an inch and then sew it on. Do the same until all the sides are clean. Iron the folded sides. Prepare the top fabric strip. Fold the top of the fabric to the desired length of the strip. Iron the folded ends so that using the pleater tape to make draperies will be easier. Sew its open side to the fabric to keep it in place. Choose a pleater tape. Pleater tapes are available in different sizes and design. Choose a pleater tape that is 1/3 the width of the top fabric's tip. Also, choose the desired design of the draperies. Some tapes will provide wider draperies while some provide narrower ones. Take note that the tape has lines, arrows, and colors on it. Those are your guides for pleating the tape along the fabric. Stick the pleater tape on the top fabric strip. Try the pleater tape first on a hidden spot of the fabric. Most of these tapes can be safely put on any fabric. But it is still better to be sure, so test it first. If it's okay, then put it on the middle so that it will not be sewn with the fabric. Pleat the fabric. Start folding the fabric by following the pattern on the tape. Some would fold the fabric and then sew the folded part. Beginners, on the other hand, are more comfortable to fold the fabric and then secure the pleats with a pin. Only after pinning all the way to the end of the fabric that they start sewing the draperies. Do whatever you prefer. Remove the pleater tape. You don't want the tape to stick on the fabric for as long as 3 days. The adhesive might ruin the fabric, so you better remove it right after sewing the draperies. Just pull it up and you're done. You may reuse the pleater tape if you pulled it out cleanly. You are now ready to hang the curtain with draperies. Use pleater hooks by pushing them into every pleat. Hang the hook from the curtain rod. Do the finishing touches after that by adding some indoor plants or putting a coffee table near the curtain. Besides making draperies for curtains, you may also use the pleater tape to make draperies on other projects.